Welcome to LAFOIP in the classroom. What is personal information? LAFOIP is the Local Authority, Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act of Saskatchewan. It is the legislation that governs school divisions with regard to privacy and access in Saskatchewan schools. LAFOIP defines personal information as information about an identifiable individual recorded in any form. In this presentation, we'll take a look at each of the components of the definition in more detail. First, let's consider the meaning of information. Information includes facts about who an individual is. These are fundamental characteristics, those that are protected by human rights laws such as race, religion, creed, age, and ancestry. Personal information also includes facts about what an individual does. This includes the person's education, criminal history, and financial activities. Personal information also includes the views or opinions of another person about the individual. The second component of the definition of personal information is that the party must be identifiable. The clearest case is when the actual name of the individual is disclosed. There may, however, be cases when the name is not used, but because of other identifying information, the identity of the individual could be discovered. In that case, the information would be considered personal information. The third component of the definition of personal information is that only real persons, not corporate entities, can have personal information. The fourth and final part of the definition of personal information is that it can be recorded in any form, such as paper form, electronic, photos, or video. LAFOIP specifies an exception to personal information with regard to employees of the school division. The salary, classification, benefits, or employment responsibilities of staff are not considered to be personal information and may be disclosed by the school division without the consent of the employee. If you have any further questions concerning the definition of personal information under LAFOIP, please contact your superintendent or the school division's LAFOIP coordinator. You can also obtain further information on this and other privacy and access issues at saskschoolsprivacy.com.